Hello everybody, my name is Sam, the creator of Sega Studios. Today I am gonna be testing at Golden Sega Studios. Do you remember Golden Sega Studios as a villain at a Sega Studios show? Alright, let's test this. He Golden.
Great to be here!
Alright. You like?
That was basically my entire audition.
Wake up. Good night. Alright, let's try that again. Talk. Ask Sega. That didn't work. What the? Where did he go?
Okay, my sensors have been replaced for both left and right ear. The newer ones can handle much higher frequencies, perfect for performing animatronics such as these. Wouldn't want one of them shutting down just because the music was too loud. Can't imagine what could have been so loud to blow out the sensors. Anyways, I'll be back to upgrade the others. For now, just play the sound response manual and everything should be A-OK.
What's this doing here? The hell?
Hey, no! Look, I know we can't have that guy back here, but you can't just put it in without telling me. I could have died. God damn it, you know what? How about you take your facial recognition and shove it? Because I'm not working in this death trap anymore, starting right now! Criminal.